preparing that machine, looking for a jump box apparently, and we're hearing on the radio to get her going here. We will go into monster truck qualifying. What that will be, it's going to be single lane, single truck qualifying on the stopwatch. Why is it important? Because the winner will get the quickest time of the afternoon, will get lane choice here in racing just a little bit later on. I got to tell you, it has likely been, boy, I tell you, rarely done to have buses side by side jumping them lengthwise. That really is something out here at the Outlaw Monster Truck Drag. Great to have you along here with us. A little bit of a delay as we try to get this mini fired up here on the front straightaway. I do want to pass along to you that we will have post-show autograph sessions. If you did not get a chance to meet your favorite driver, post-show autograph sessions will happen at the tent of your favorite driver. So as you leave today, you can leave and check out where your particular driver's ECF tent is, and you can grab that merchandise, get an autograph from that driver as we go to work here on the front straightaway. So get this vehicle moved out. Again, Mayhem the Ride down there in turn number 1 will continue all show long as we look forward to those rides, only $10 a piece.
Well, you could go that way.
$10 a piece in cash.